canal. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications so that you never miss a video. Well, I got a lot of good feedback with how to make the chamoy rim paste on my last video that I wanted to also show you guys how to make the sweeter one. So there's so many different mixes on how to make this. You can cook it like we did with the tamarindo on the stove. Today we're gonna make one that you don't need any heat at all. And it's more concentrated with sugar. It's more on the sweeter side. We also have things to make it like extra spicy if you want, or just have the regular pulparindo, which is just the regular tamarindo. But I'm gonna show you my sweet version, which is a little bit more popular. You can put this more with fruta and stuff like that. But anyway, let's show you how to make it. Ready? Here's the ingredients. So because I'm gonna be making a big batch, I'm gonna give you guys my measurements, but if you're gonna be making a small batch, then of course adjust the measurements as needed. But before I get started, all of my ingredients and supplies can be found on my Amazon storefront, because I understand that different cities don't always have all of the same stuff, or you can't always find it at your Latino market. I'm going to use this raw cane sugar. The azúcar is like a little bit thicker, if you guys could see. Thicker, not thicker. Like the salt is, like it's kind of more rockier. I'm going to be using regular sugar, chamoy, tajin en líquido, and this Lucas mango flavor. And literally, that's it. So 2 types of sugar, chamoy, tajin, 2 types of tajin, and this mango Lucas. That's it. Let's get started. All right, you guys. So because I'm making such a large quantity, I added 3 cups of regular sugar. Then I added the ½ cup of this more coarse sugar. I'm going to be adding 3 of these. Again, this is super simple, and you really don't need that much chamoy in it. I'm gonna open 2 more off camera. Give me a second. This is way easier. So I'm gonna open 2 more. Again, this is if you don't really want the spicy, tangier version, you can make the sweeter version. This is my 3rd one. Then we're going to add a ¼ cup of chamoy. I'm going to add, if I could open it, a ¼ cup of the tajin in liquid form. And I'm going to add about a ¼ cup of tajin in polvo. And for the sake of not wasting, I'm going to get that same rubber spatula, that little spoon that I used in my last video. Again, all the things you can find on my Amazon storefront. So, see, just comes out way easier. And then we're gonna give all this a stir and then see if we need anything. And don't forget, as this sits in the fridge, it will get harder. So I'm going to add ½ cup more of chamoy at this point. Don't forget, you guys are making different measurements than me, but I'm going somewhere after this. So I'm gonna be making a couple containers for my friends. So I'm gonna be making more than what I usually would. Pero ahí la tantean. Make sure you're getting all of it. See here on the bottom, I still have parts that haven't met the chamoy yet. Can you not? I'm gonna add a little bit more of the dry tajin. And let's rim a White Claw up so you guys could see. You guys, like I've said in the past or in the other video, make sure that you check that one out before you use any kind of beer, alcohol, White Claw, jarrito, guava drink, anything. Make sure that you guys are cleaning your tops properly. You don't know how many hands they've been through or kind of dust they've come in contact with or anything else. So make sure that you're properly washing them before dunking them in. Let's show you the fun part. Let's do this. Like I said, if you guys want it runnier, you can add more chamoy like in my last video. But oh my God, this is so good. Nice, like rock, sour, Mexican candy. Oh my God, guys, enjoy. All right, one last thing, you guys. Don't forget that you can find all of my things that I'm using on my Amazon storefront. So everything will be in a link below, but I'm going to go ahead and put these in these small containers. That way I can label the spicy one from the sweet one, the mango one, and all the different flavors that I'm gonna be bringing with me tonight. But yeah, there you go. You're welcome. I love you guys. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you hit that like button and let me know in the comments below. I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. He's just pissed he can't have any. No, Dad, I'm so sorry. You want to know what the worst part is? Being on keto and not being able to have any. Love you guys.